गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है बस एक यही मेरा बल है, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा। अज्ञान भरे संशय से भरे विपरीत विचारों से भी भरे,
विपरीत विचारों से भी भरे,
मन के अंधकार को दूर करे वचनामृत से तव बोध कृपा।
The greatest gain of our life is love for God. And for that, the only thing that we must do is only pray to God to bless us with that love.
If you always do what you always did, then you will always get what you always got. There will be no change or no difference.
पल पल पग पग जीवन पथ पर गुरु साथ मेरे रक्षक बनकर, बिसरू न कभी यह प्रेममयी आनंदमयी भवदीय कृपा। गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है बस एक यही मेरा बल है, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा।
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्।
This evening I am not going to give a lecture to you. I am only suggesting certain ideas and to set you thinking.
So we are grieving over the past, fearing the future, getting confused in present.
In the same way, when you did not know what life is, the Rishi started analyzing how life expresses through you, me and all over.
So learn from the past, then plan your future, but act today. And when you are acting today, then your mind should not get dissipated in other things then.
That no living being, no exception, no living being can remain even for a split moment without interacting with the world around. Think. Don't accept what I am saying.
The more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war.
So each life, your life is built just as bricks with which the walls are made. And if each brick is not properly baked, weak, the wall is weak. If the bricks are well baked, the wall is strong. The wall has no strength at all other than the strength of the bricks that gone into the structure. Similarly, your life has no existence apart from the quality, quantity, and the beauty of your own experiences.
मुझे है काम ईश्वर से, जगत रूठे तो रूठन दे। मुझे है काम ईश्वर से, जगत रूठे तो रूठन दे।
आज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर।
In conjunction with the Holy Deepawali Day of the Indian Hinduists, the Chinmaya group from Bombay, India, is organizing a 3-day religious comprehension session. Swami Tejo Mayananda emphasized the importance of strong faith in the Creator as well as the perseverance to uphold the righteousness of life. The Chinmaya family also distributed free packages of daily necessities in the Angke, West Jakarta.
गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ गणानाम्